All right. Hey guys, how you doing? I'm Shawn Cheek of webpianoteacher.com. Today we're going to learn another song off the great album Rumors by Fleetwood Mac. You can see the album behind me here. And yeah, I've taught every song on the album. It's on the website right now. So if you want to learn all the songs or just some of your favorites, I mean, the album is kind of like a greatest hits album, isn't it? Every song, just one after another, is good. In this lesson, we're going to be doing Go Your Own Way. You know, you can go your own way. So that's what we're going to do right now. So as we get ready for it here, I have taught lessons for a very long time, and I've done the past 15 years online. Before that, I did all private lessons, 50 students a week. Anyway, I had some students always, quite a few actually, that reading music was a roadblock. It was a struggle for them. You know, some people just can do it, and then some people have a lot of trouble. And I found a lot of people that have trouble had really good ears, a lot of talent. I think maybe their ear got in the way of reading notes or whatever it is, but it seemed to go hand in hand. So I invented a way to help them to play so that they could actually, you know, not have that be a roadblock and be able to play anyway. So I use the whiteboard here. Let you take a look at it. And it's just an old, I used to have a whiteboard. That's why I call it the board still. And I would use a whiteboard. Those of you who've been with me since the beginning. But you know, I write letters and I talk about chords and I demonstrate things and talk and you listen rhythms. So you actually, it's an interactive experience as you are learning instead of just reading dots on a page, which is a great skill to have, by the way, but some people just need a different way. So that's what we're doing here. All right. So as we get to it, we're going to start with this F and the C. And by the way, this is just a piece of the board for the part 1 on YouTube. The rest of the lessons for the whole thing, as well as all the other lessons I was talking about, are available to members. You can also download my sheets as well. You know, not the zoomed in part, the whole sheet. All right, C and F in the right hand, F, C, F in the left. So, you know, it starts out. Da da da, right thing to do. Ba da ba. All right, so we got a lot of guitar thing going on here. We got a melody going on. And what I'm going to do in this as we go through, I don't do this for every song, but I'm going to show you what the guitar is doing, because the guitar is, if you listen close, is doing this. And then it, you know, will change to something else. But it's not playing what the vocalists are singing. But playing with the vocalist is singing is not that hard, and it kind of will fit in your hand there. So on in this lesson series, I'm going to teach you both ways. I'm going to show you how to put the melody in there. Right thing to do. And I'm also going to show you, you know, another way just to kind of accompany yourself with what the guitars are playing. So, you know, you can have both ways, and some of you like having the melody in there. Some of you just want to play what the instruments are doing so you can sing along with it. So we're going to do both ways in this, okay? So, but we do start out with just chords C, F, F, C, F in the left hand. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. And you got to go dun, 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 dun. Got to kind of accent some of them. Kind of, you just kind of beat on a desk. Dun, 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 dun. Da, da, da. Na, 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 na. So after you do this, 1, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and. So it's 4 counts in this measure, 4 counts in this measure. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and. So C, F, G, left hand on an F still. So 1, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. Na na na, na 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 na. So you start singing right here on that one. Loving you, maybe the first words. Loving you. So the guitar's doing this, and Lindsey Buckingham always has plenty of neat guitar parts in the background. CFA, 1, 3, 5, back to CFG, back to CFA. So you're just changing the soprano note, the top note. So, wasn't the right thing to do. Ba-da-ba. Okay, very fun. And it does work on piano if you, you know, a little tricky, but you can make it work. All right, so begin from the beginning. 1 and 2 and 3. Loving you wasn't the right. All right, so if you can play this part, you probably can play the rest of it that we have on the website. There's your part one. Hope you guys enjoyed it. See you on webpianoteacher.com.